By the way, we're in Minecraft survival. Wait, let's have.
Why is there suspicious steel?
What? I think it's poisonous. Oh,
Color pop.
Yeah, let's have a party. We're gonna have cakes every day. Yeah, that's delicious. Wait, let me think. That's yum. Let's eat more. Woohoo! We're having a party. Woohoo!
How's it raining?
It's raining every second. Oh my gosh. / time set day. No, not that. / weather clear. And / time set day. Now it's morning.
Yes, I'm on top.
Oh, we forgot to upgrade this place. I don't know what to put. What she put? I'm thinking of what we put. I don't know. How will Hero put? No, there's no trampolines in Minecraft.
Jump!
No. By the way, just make here a jumping place. Every time is Google.
Why is there a car here?
Let me see. Bruh. Now I'm gonna tell you where the changing room is. Where's it? Bruh. My Minecraft keeps glitching.
How's that food for, Benny?
How's this? What?
Why is the post bugged out and it's in a bowl?
Bro, ew! Why is there a bull?
Why is you a horse? Is you a horse?
Wait, let me see. Get out, horse! Hey, let me ride you. Oh, I'm right.
Come for Ohms!
Come for!
Come for Ohms!
Yeah, come for! Come for! No! Wait, boop. Yeah, we have unlimited Kung Fu Omzes.
Why are stairs here?
Bro, it's trying to be secret. Bro, here, stupid. Hey, get out my house. By the way, let's go in my house. Hey, get out my house. Hey, this is my house.
No.
Hey, you're in trouble. And then, hey, get out. Hey, this is not your house. I kick him out of the windows.
This is not a toilet.
Bro, that's not even make it toilet. Bro, this is not shower. Then let's flood this whole place. Go! Run! Run! Oh my gosh. Have to just break in the windows. Break in the windows. I'm running. Let's run.
Let's go.
Where's the house? Bruh.
Why is
Bro, what's that? I keep breaking the glass.
Go to that toilet.
Cause it's gonna flood. Let's see this. Flooded. Where's the bathroom?
I think somewhere here. Another toilet!
How? This it's supposed to be like run! Please. Oh, but now I know where the toilet is. I'm trying to get out here. Now I'm out. Whoa! Where's there? No, there's a flood! No! Let's see the other toilet. That's here. Is it flooded? I just see it. Where's it? Wait, where is it? Where's it? Ah! Now it's who? How do we put a hole? This Minecraft's trippy. Yeah, let's go in the hole. Why are we? I'm gonna fix the walls for the next video.
Why is my video keeping long?
How's my video 6? How would I name this video? Water castle.
Wait, let's go to this castle.
Bruh, I put the water out. I'm just gonna put the water. Yeah! Was swimming in the water. I'll name that video. Bruh, I'll just put on. Ew! Why is it Roxy? Ew! Why I'm in Google every time? Where's the video 7? Gumbo! I'll just make a new one.